with the rain and the cold, miserable conditions outside, I've been doing as much little tinkering stuff as I can do to get the tractors ready for next year, and none of it's really necessary per se, but it's nice to get done. So one of those things is getting the moisture meter for the baler, instead of flopping around in here. Gotta get it tied down, something like that, and mounted in here, and zip tie some of the tractor wiring out of the way. So we're gonna try to knock that out real quick. I hate screwing things into factory panels, but that's probably what we're gonna do, and just get over the hating doing it. I wonder about using at least one factory hole there. I'll have to check and see if that's obnoxious having it that high, but that's what we're gonna do here real quick. Okay, I got my seat cable kind of tied up to stay out of the way of me getting my garbage in and out of here, my things that stay in the tractor. The harness for the moisture meter got tucked up in there pretty well, seems to be fine. Oh, let's see, make sure my seat, if I move it back, make sure I didn't move up there. Yeah, nothing hits, the seat's all the way down, so it will just get further away. I should also turn the key on and see. There's a light somewhere. Oh, that'll be cute if it's on the other side of the box. Oh, there's the light. So, box is plugged in and working. I will unplug it for the winter, then sit and drain the battery. Otherwise, in fact, I've got that done. And my cable won't be getting jerked around, and my phone usually sits right there. And plenty of slack to pick it up and use it. So, anywho, that's all. Done with that guy. I'm gonna try to hurry and get the best thing ever. The Lily Cat and Iris hang out in their house together. Brandy said one night the cat was in there with Iris. I'm assuming she spent the whole night in there, but anywho.
So Sam showed this the other day, that they were curled up together in here during the day. This is the third night in a row that Lily has been in Iris's bed, and they just sleep in there together at night now. So I don't understand it, but it just seems to be their arrangement now. So anyway, thanks for watching.